Where are the jobs being created in America right now? As technology evolves, industries expand, and companies relocate across the country, some states are generating far more economic opportunity than others. While certain regions continue to struggle with slower growth, others are experiencing hiring booms, attracting businesses, workers, and investment at an incredible pace. In this video, we're counting down the 10 best states for job growth in America for 2026. Our rankings consider employment growth, business expansion, economic development, population growth, and long-term career opportunities. Whether you're a recent graduate, a remote worker considering a move, or someone searching for better career prospects, these are the states where opportunity is growing the fastest. Some of the states on this list may not surprise you, but a few are emerging job market powerhouses that many Americans are still overlooking. And be sure to stick around for our number 1 state, which continues to attract businesses, workers, and investment from across the country. Let's get started. Number 10, North Carolina. Few states have attracted more businesses, workers, and investment in recent years than this fast-growing southern powerhouse. With a strong economy, expanding industries, and a steady influx of new residents, North Carolina has become one of the best places in America for job growth and career opportunities. One of the biggest reasons for its success is its diverse economy. The state has thriving sectors in technology, healthcare, finance, manufacturing, biotechnology, and research. Major hubs like Charlotte, Raleigh, and Durham continue to attract both established companies and fast-growing startups, creating thousands of new jobs every year. The Research Triangle region has become especially important to the state's economic growth. Home to major universities, research institutions, and technology companies, it has helped position North Carolina as one of the nation's leading centers for innovation and high-paying careers. Beyond employment opportunities, the state offers a high quality of life that continues to attract talent from across the country. Residents enjoy relatively affordable living costs, mild weather, beautiful mountains and beaches, and a wide variety of communities to choose from. While rapid growth has pushed housing prices higher in some areas, the state's combination of economic expansion, business investment, and career opportunities remains among the strongest in America. That's why North Carolina earns the number 10 spot on our list of the best states for job growth in America. Number 9, Virginia. Strong job markets, a highly educated workforce, and a diverse economy have helped make this state one of the nation's most consistent leaders in employment growth. While it may not always grab headlines like some of the faster-growing Sunbelt states, Virginia continues to create opportunities across a wide range of industries. One of the state's biggest advantages is its economic diversity. Technology, defense, government contracting, healthcare, finance, and professional services all play major roles in supporting job creation. Northern Virginia, in particular, has become one of the country's most important technology and data center hubs, attracting major companies and high-paying careers. The state's proximity to Washington, D.C. provides another powerful economic advantage. Federal agencies, contractors, consulting firms, and technology companies create a steady stream of employment opportunities that help support long-term economic stability and workforce growth. Beyond career opportunities, Virginia offers an exceptional quality of life. Residents enjoy highly rated schools, strong healthcare systems, historic communities, beautiful mountain scenery, and easy access to both major metropolitan areas and coastal destinations. Housing costs can be expensive in some of the state's most desirable regions, especially in Northern Virginia, but many workers find the strong salaries and career opportunities more than compensate. That's why Virginia earns the number 9 spot on our list of the best states for job growth in America. Number 8, Tennessee. Few states have experienced the kind of economic momentum that this southern state has enjoyed in recent years. With major companies relocating, population growth accelerating, and new industries expanding across the state, Tennessee has become one of America's strongest job growth success stories. One of the biggest drivers behind this growth is the state's business-friendly environment. With no state income tax and a reputation for supporting business investment, Tennessee continues to attract employers from across the country. Companies in healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, technology, and entertainment have all contributed to the state's expanding job market. Major cities such as Nashville, Knoxville, Chattanooga, and Memphis have become important centers of economic activity. Nashville, in particular, has emerged as one of the nation's fastest-growing metropolitan areas, creating opportunities across healthcare, finance, technology, tourism, and corporate services. The state's affordability also helps attract both businesses and workers. Compared to many high-growth states, housing and living costs remain relatively reasonable in much of Tennessee, making it easier for residents to enjoy a strong quality of life while pursuing career opportunities. Rapid growth has created some challenges, including rising housing costs in certain areas, but the state's combination of business expansion, economic development, and job creation remains among the best in the nation. That's why Tennessee earns the number 8 spot on our list of the best states for job growth in America. Number 7, Georgia. Over the past decade, this southern powerhouse has become one of the strongest engines of job creation in America. With a rapidly growing population, a business-friendly climate, and a diverse economy, Georgia continues to attract companies, entrepreneurs, and workers from across the country. One of the biggest reasons for the state's success is its economic diversity. Industries such as technology, healthcare, logistics, manufacturing, finance, and entertainment all contribute to a steady stream of new jobs. Atlanta, in particular, has evolved into one of the nation's most important business hubs, attracting major corporations and innovative startups alike. The state's strategic location also plays a major role in its growth. Home to one of the world's busiest airports and a major transportation network, Georgia has become a critical center for logistics, distribution, and international commerce. This infrastructure advantage continues to drive business investment and employment growth throughout the state. Beyond career opportunities, Georgia offers a relatively affordable cost of living compared to many other major economic centers. Combined with a warm climate, diverse communities, and a high quality of life, the state remains highly attractive to both employers and job seekers. While traffic congestion and rising housing costs have become challenges in some fast-growing areas, Georgia's combination of economic expansion, business investment, and workforce growth remains among the strongest in America. That's why Georgia earns the number 7 spot on our list of the best states for job growth in America. Number 6, Arizona. What was once known primarily as a retirement destination has evolved into one of the fastest-growing economic success stories in America. With booming industries, rapid population growth, and billions of dollars in new business investment, Arizona has become a major hub for job creation and career opportunities. One of the biggest drivers of the state's growth is its expanding technology sector. Major companies have invested heavily in semiconductor manufacturing, data centers, aerospace, and advanced technology operations. The Phoenix metropolitan area has emerged as one of the country's leading destinations for tech companies seeking room to grow and access to a skilled workforce. The state's economy is also supported by healthcare, finance, logistics, construction, and tourism. As more businesses relocate or expand into Arizona, demand for workers continues to rise across a wide range of industries and skill levels, creating opportunities for both experienced professionals and new entrants to the workforce. Another advantage is Arizona's strong population growth. Thousands of new residents continue to move to the state each year, helping fuel economic expansion and supporting new business development. This steady influx of people has helped create one of the most dynamic job markets in the nation. Summer heat can be intense, and housing costs have risen significantly in some areas. But the state's combination of business investment, economic growth, and career opportunities remains extremely attractive. That's why Arizona earns the number 6 spot on our list of the best states for job growth in America. Number 5, Florida. Few states have created more jobs over the past decade than this fast-growing Sunbelt giant. Fueled by strong population growth, business expansion, and a steady influx of new residents, Florida has become one of the most dynamic labor markets in America. One of the biggest reasons for the state's success is its diverse economy. Industries such as healthcare, tourism, aerospace, finance, logistics, construction, and technology continue to generate thousands of new jobs each year. Major metropolitan areas like Miami, Tampa, Orlando, and Jacksonville have become powerful engines of economic growth and employment. Florida's tax-friendly environment also plays a major role in attracting businesses and workers. With no state income tax and a pro-business climate, companies continue relocating operations and expanding their presence throughout the state. This ongoing investment has helped create opportunities across a wide range of industries and income levels. Another major advantage is the state's rapid population growth. As millions of Americans move to Florida seeking better weather, retirement opportunities, and economic prospects, demand for housing, healthcare, retail services, and infrastructure continues to fuel job creation across the state. Housing costs and insurance expenses have risen significantly in some areas, but the state's combination of business growth, economic opportunity, and population expansion remains difficult to match. That's why Florida earns the number 5 spot on our list of the best states for job growth in America. Number 4, Washington. Innovation, technology, and economic opportunity have helped transform the Pacific Northwest state into one of the strongest job markets in America. Home to some of the world's most influential companies, Washington continues to generate high-paying careers and attract skilled workers from across the country. One of the biggest drivers of the state's job growth is its powerful technology sector. The Seattle metropolitan area has become a global center for software development, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and digital innovation. This concentration of technology companies has created thousands of jobs while supporting growth in countless related industries. The state's economy is also remarkably diverse. Aerospace, healthcare, life sciences, logistics, clean energy, and international trade all play important roles in fueling employment growth. Major ports and strong global connections help support a steady flow of business investment and economic activity throughout the region. Beyond career opportunities, Washington offers an exceptional quality of life. Residents enjoy stunning natural beauty, access to mountains, forests, lakes, and coastlines, along with vibrant cities that continue to attract talented professionals seeking both career advancement and outdoor recreation. Housing costs can be among the highest in the nation, particularly in the Seattle area, but many workers are drawn by the strong salaries and abundant opportunities. That's why Washington earns the number 4 spot on our list of the best states for job growth in America. Number 3, Colorado. Over the past 2 decades, this Rocky Mountain state has become one of America's premier destinations for both businesses and skilled workers. With a thriving economy, highly educated workforce, and strong entrepreneurial culture, Colorado continues to generate impressive job growth across multiple industries. One of the biggest reasons for the state's success is its diverse and innovation-driven economy. Technology, aerospace, healthcare, renewable energy, financial services, and advanced manufacturing all play major roles in creating new employment opportunities. The Denver metropolitan area, in particular, has become a magnet for startups, investors, and expanding companies. Colorado also benefits from a highly educated workforce and a strong culture of entrepreneurship. Businesses are attracted to the state's talent pool, while workers are drawn by the abundance of career opportunities and competitive salaries. This creates a cycle of growth that continues to fuel economic expansion year after year. Beyond employment opportunities, Colorado offers one of the highest quality of life scores in the country. Residents enjoy breathtaking mountain scenery, world-class outdoor recreation, a healthy lifestyle, and vibrant communities that continue to attract professionals from across America. Housing costs have risen significantly as demand has increased, but many residents believe the combination of career opportunities, strong wages, and exceptional lifestyle is worth the investment. That's why Colorado earns the number 3 spot on our list of the best states for job growth in America. Number 2, Texas. Everything may be bigger in Texas, and that certainly includes its economy. With a massive business base, rapid population growth, and a steady stream of corporate relocations, Texas has become one of the most powerful job creation engines in America. Year after year, it ranks among the nation's leaders in new jobs, business investment, and economic expansion. One of the biggest reasons for the state's success is its incredibly diverse economy. Industries such as energy, technology, healthcare, finance, manufacturing, aerospace, and logistics all contribute to a strong and resilient job market. Major metropolitan areas like Dallas-Fort Worth, Austin, Houston, and San Antonio continue to attract both employers and workers from across the country. Texas has also become a magnet for corporate relocations and business expansion. Companies are drawn by the state's pro-business environment, lack of a state income tax, relatively affordable operating costs, and large labor force. This ongoing investment has helped fuel job growth across a wide range of industries and skill levels. Another major advantage is the state's population growth. Millions of Americans have moved to Texas in recent years, creating demand for housing, healthcare, education, retail services, and infrastructure. This population boom continues to generate employment opportunities throughout the state. Traffic congestion, rising housing costs in some cities, and summer heat can present challenges, but few states can match Texas when it comes to economic momentum and career opportunities. Combining strong business growth, corporate investment, and one of the largest job markets in the nation, Texas earns the number 2 spot on our list of the best states for job growth in America. Number 1, Utah. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is a state that has quietly become one of America's most impressive economic success stories. With a booming economy, rapid business growth, low unemployment, and one of the youngest and fastest-growing populations in the nation, Utah continues to create opportunities at an extraordinary pace. One of the biggest drivers behind the state's success is its thriving technology sector. The area known as Silicon Slopes has emerged as one of the country's leading innovation hubs, attracting startups, major technology companies, and billions of dollars in investment. This has helped create thousands of high-paying jobs while supporting growth across the broader economy. Utah's economy is also remarkably diverse. Healthcare, finance, manufacturing, outdoor recreation, professional services, and logistics all contribute to a strong job market that continues to expand year after year. The state's business-friendly environment and highly educated workforce make it especially attractive to employers looking to grow. Another major advantage is the state's exceptional quality of life. Residents enjoy beautiful mountain scenery, world-class outdoor recreation, strong communities, highly rated schools, and one of the healthiest populations in America. These factors help attract talented workers and support continued economic growth. Housing costs have risen as more people move to the state, but Utah's combination of job creation, business investment, economic stability, and long-term opportunity remains difficult to match. For workers seeking career growth and a high quality of life, few places offer a stronger overall package. That's why Utah earns the #1 spot on our list of the best states for job growth in America. Did your state make the list? Let us know in the comments below where you think the best job opportunities can be found in America today. We'd love to hear your experiences and predictions for the future. If you enjoyed this ranking, be sure to subscribe to America Top 10s for more state rankings, relocation guides, economic comparisons, and data-driven top 10 lists from across the United States. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next countdown.